Hey everybody, this is Bill Seagroves with Clip Software. Today I wanted to take a moment and show you how to process autopays with Clip Payments in CLIPitc. First, we want to click on the Invoice tab in the top menu. Go to Process Autopays. There, you'll see all the customers that have set up for autopay in your system and their account number, the date that the transaction will be processed, and the amount those transactions will be processed for. Select which ones you want to process and then click Process. As you can see, it'll process the payment and then send the email to the customer if you have email set up. And it's that simple. Clip Payments does all the heavy lifting for you, and all your invoices just got one step closer to being paid. If you need more information about how Clip Payments can help your business save money, head over to clip.com/clippayments. If you need any help processing autopays, please reach out to us using the chat icon at the bottom of CLIPitc, by email at service@clip.com, or by giving us a call at 1-800-635-8485. And remember, your success is our passion.